I have this 2015 Toyota Voxy. It has one of those first generation Androids. It's weird, it's very buggy, you know, it's not doing anything much. So you know, say it's upgrade time. Set the date and time now, and then just basically give you guys a quick rundown of what's going on, isn't it? Set date. Today is March 19th, 2022. Time is, what time is it now? Android radio. This is a 10-inch made specifically for this Voxy, right? So down here we ran the USB cables down to the glove box. So there's 1, 2. Go ahead. Oops. Hold on. Let's go ahead and close that, right? So the time and date is set. It's currently connected to my hotspot on the phone. And you don't know radio is already live. Zip, you see me?
Just try it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
And of course, Toyota, they have very good stock speakers. You understand me? So this customer needs to go ahead now and set up their Play Store. You see me? But for now, I'm going to go up on Chrome. See what I go on. Alright, let's go to YouTube. Now, of course, it is basically a big tablet. So you just install all your apps at will. So Netflix, games, whichever. You understand me? Yeah. So we're here on YouTube. Who that? TC Customs.
So we're at Vernon Field today.
Yeah.
It's the 20th of February. It's just
yeah. So this is the browser, right? Cool, that's Google. Now a next feature that we can explore here, right? Got different themes. We're just in Chrome. We have the equalizer, right? Excellent. We have the equalizer. I'll leave that as is. The customer will go ahead and tune that to their liking. We have Facebook, is it me? Potential is unlimited, people. Remember, it is basically a big tablet, right? And the person, obviously the customer can go ahead and rearrange their home screen, right, to their liking. Spotify, the Play Store, radio, you know, it's all here. Maps. Let's see. If you're observant, you'll know where I am at currently. Let me skip that for now. You have the navigation also, so you can use that for your
celebration in Kazakhstan.
Yeah, what's going on? 2006.
What them know about Black China?
Don't not tiny. So definitely we are going to come out. Black Chinese sound, the sound to them. You good enough Top and no who fi fry. Make a try. Black shiny stripe them with light. Never my problem. Talk direct to.
So of course Bluetooth. I'm recording now, so I can't really mess with the phone. I don't have the other phone on me either. What else do I want to check now? Well, obviously that was the USB. So I mean that's basically it. This is just crazy. So you can imagine when the customer gets the chance to go ahead and just set it up fully. Crazy. So out with the old, we're in with the new. Leave it as is because the customer is going to. He has a purpose for it, so we're not going to discard it. Yeah, that's it.
A different kind of vibe. This and every Sunday from 8 to 9 a.m. Party with positivity with CJ Venus at Zip's Praise Party, the Takeover Edition.